Introducing EnGenius game-changing PDU product line. EnGenius PDU provides reliable, plug-and-play, energy-efficient, and cloud-managed power distribution to the market. Every EnGenius PDU comes equipped with high-quality MOV modules for surge protection and fireproof design, making it the ideal solution for IT infrastructure environments. But that's not all. Our PDUs feature a full-color LCD with intuitive control to show real-time information from different angles. And we've redesigned our PDUs to provide the most compact form factor products on the market. With its compact form factor, the PDU can be easily mounted horizontally or vertically inside or outside the rack enclosure. Plus, all PDUs are not only local web GUI configurable, but also cloud manageable. With EnGenius Cloud, you can receive instant notification of any emergency alerts. And our cloud platform provides comprehensive statistics and analysis on the PDU power and status. You can even estimate and monitor the cost to make your own energy plan. EnGenius PDU is a new member of the EnGenius Cloud family. We reinvent the PDU in every aspect. Upgrade to smarter and more efficient power management solutions now.